See that little tykes right there?
Oh, crap, it's dark.
They can get run over by a cab, huh? Okay. The project goes like this. You have a halter with a lead rope attached to it, and that's the only equipment.
Oh, hang on.
And you must catch a cab, halter him, and lead him back to our officials. And if you do that successfully, then we will acknowledge the youngster on the back number that they wear and their project, whether it be FFA or a 4-H project. I will tell you that along with HEB, we salute Williams Supply, who is one of our platinum donors today, and also in memory of Berta Ann Thompson by Harry Thompson, another of our donors. Thanks to Central Shavings Company as they've joined us. Shirts Animal Hospital Fund. Okay, and the first one in, it is Kyle Huffy from Liberty Hill FFA.
Way to go, Kyle.
There's one in. Number 17 is our second one to come in. Keith Myers for Stockton FFA. I'll throw the sponsorship of HEB and the other people that we mentioned. These kids will receive financial assistance in securing the project for next year. Abram Carrillo is wearing number 19. He's from Kaufman FFA and has caught a calf today as well.
What girl? Yeah, they just grab onto the tail. Go!
Number 18, Cole Williams, has a smile on his face. His project is Hazel FFA. He caught a calf, so did Charlie Ashford, number 1 on Leonard FFA. His look! We almost got somebody run over. Number 4, Ronnie Dunn from Blue Ridge FFA. And Nick Allen from Roxton FFA. That's number 22. He's in. Number 8, Brennan Garner, also from Blue Ridge.
Yeah, he's holding it right now.
Who do you think is going to win the wrestling match down here? He's hollering the cap. He's doing it with one hand. And he said, yes, guys, I can surely use some help in adjusting that halter right now. Well, Lucky 13 is in again. Clayton Rusky from Missouri County. Missouri 4-H. We got the grab halter down. Yes, he did. Number 3 has arrived, Matthew Bryant from Quinlan FFA. Number 10, Kelsey Kennan from Blue Ridge. Caught one as well, number 21, Matthew Moore from Kaufman FFA. And I think we have them all in now. But I will share with you our platinum winners today. And they are here for the photograph already. Keith Myers from Fort Stockton. Kyle Huffy from Liberty Hill FFA. Congratulations, kids. Thank you to our Cats Committee.